Bonjour Patrick, bonjour Cathy, bonjour tout le monde. Bienvenue dans la lecture du Lotus bleu. Moi, j'ai ma tasse de café. So we're going to read, and I must say we're not so very many. We're only 17, I think, or maybe 20 to read. So I don't know if this is because of the elections that you didn't have the time to read. We will see if people keep on reading. But this book, Le Lotus bleu, is sometimes considered as being the best book of Tintin. So let's try to get to the end. Well, we have Tintin, and of course the policemen. They're trying to capture him. And look what he says. He says, "Oh," as if he's seeing something in the sky. And then they're all looking up. And the time they look down again, he is gone. He has taken a bike. And so Tintin is biking away and Milou running. And they're calling, "Stop!" So stop, of course. Là-bas, le garçon qui s'enfuit à bicyclette. Over there, the boy who is fleeing on a bike. Yes, and I'm sorry, I've just jumped out of the shower, so I'm not I'm not looking very smart today. I'm sorry. Well, Tintin, he's driving away on his bike. Ok, nous l'aurons rejoint dans 2 minutes. Ok, we will have joined him in 2 minutes. And so Tintin is driving fast, but there's a truck coming. Oh my God. Look at that. Well, he's in the truck and you see he survived. So that's a good thing. So he's driving away. But poor Milou has to run behind the truck. Courage, Milou. Be brave, Milou. Dès que le camion ralentira, je sauterai. So dès que means as soon as the truck will have slowed down, je sauterai, I will jump. And then, yes, a policeman is stopping the cars and the trucks, and Tintin is jumping off the truck and walking to the cinema. He's going to the cinema. So the next page, well, we're reading a little bit less today. That's maybe because my videos are a bit too long, so we will see reading 3-4 pages maximum today. So, où a-t-il pu passer? Where has he been able to pass or to go? À gauche, to the left, à droite, to the right, tout droit, straight on, because you see his bike is there. Ici, au moins, ils ne viendront pas nous chercher. Here, at least, they will not come to search for us, to try to find us. Tout ce que je sais, sir, c'est qu'il était petit, qu'il était habillé en chinois et qu'il m'a déclaré se nommer Tintin. All that I know, sir, it is that he was small, that he was dressed like a Chinese, and that he has declared to me to be named, to have the name of Tintin. Tintin, tonnerre, Tintin, thunder. Vous êtes sûr? Are you sure? Il a bien dit Tintin? Has he well said Tintin? Ça, par exemple, that, my God, that, well, he says, for example, but it's a way of saying, my God. Tu te souviens, Milou? Do you remember, Milou? Notre voyage en Arabie, our trip in Arabia. La scène où je suis intervenue. Ah, yes, so this scene, the scene they were filming, where I intervened. So he probably is seeing, you remember that there was some violence and he tried to save the woman, but then finally they said it was just for a movie. So, le film que tournait Monsieur Rastapopoulos. So, the film that was turning Mr. Rastapopoulos. And so, I think it's the Cigare du Pharaon. I think that's the book we read before. Ah, you see, that's the scene, you remember? Hitting a woman, but it was only for the movie. Les actualités mondiales. The news of the world. Paris, Honora enlève le Grand Cross international. So Honora, that's the man here, I imagine, with the number 7. He, he wins the prize. You can say in French, enlever, to take away the prize of International Cross. Je suis bien content d'avoir gagné la course et j'essaierai de faire mieux la prochaine fois. So I am very happy to have won the race and I will try, again a future tense, to do better next time. Le président de la République, Paul Domaldac, inaugure une exposition canine. So the president of the Republic of Paul Domaldac, wonder where that is, inaugure, we could say, I think, inaugurates or opens an exhibition for dogs, canine, for dogs. And there you see dogs on the screen, wah, wah, and of course Milou is barking also. Silence, Milou! Silence, Milou! Shut up! Le professeur Fan Se-yeng, célèbre par ses remarquables ouvrages sur la folie, vient de rentrer à Shanghai après un long voyage d'études en Amérique. Yes. So the professor Fan Se-yeng, famous for his remarkable, noteworthy works on lunacy, vient de, remember, vient de means has just rentré comme home from Shanghai after a long trip of studying in America. Le voici, here he is, dans son beau jardin, in his beautiful garden, goûtant enfin un repos bien mérité. So he's savoring finally a well-deserved rest. Repos is rest. And then we see the picture of the professor. And you see here, voir les cigares du pharaon. So it was exactly in Les Cigares du Pharaon that, Tintin tried to save this woman of the violence of a man, but it was just a movie. Voilà l'homme qui pourrait guérir le fils de Wang. There you have the man who could cure the son of Wang. Silence, silence, shh. Yep. So Tintin is calling a taxi, which is a jigsaw, I'm sorry. Chez le professeur Fan Se-yeng. To the professor Fan Se-yeng. Vous savez où il habite? Do you know where he lives? Oui, oui, yes, yes. And we are now on page 34. So Tintin and Milou going to the professor. He's ringing the bell. Monsieur Fan Se-yeng, s'il vous plaît. So Mr. Fan Se-yeng, please. Mon vénérable maître n'est pas encore rentré. My honorable master, I would say, or my respectable master, has not rentré, come home yet. Mais il ne tardera guère, but he will not be long. Yes, normally in French, not is ne pas. But here you see it's ne guère. It's a little bit old-fashioned. People don't use it anymore nowadays, but maybe a little bit in written language. So, but he will not be long. Voulez-vous l'attendre? Do you want to wait for him? So Tintin and Milou are waiting with a nice cup of tea. Time is going by, but he doesn't come. Mon cœur est dans l'inquiétude. My heart is in anxiety. Mon vénérable maître m'avait dit qu'il serait rentré vers 10 heures. My honorable or respectable master had said to me that he would be rentré home around 10 o'clock. Et il est plus de minuit, and it is more than midnight. Vous a-t-il dit où il allait? Has he said to you where he went? Oui, il est allé à une réception donnée en son honneur par son ami Monsieur Liu Yulin, rue de la Montagne Pourpre. Yes, he has gone to a reception given in his honor by his friend Mr. Liu Yulin, in the street of the Purple Mountain. C'est bien, je vais y aller. Very well, I'm going to go there. And so there he's off again, Tintin. Comment? Mon très honorable ami n'est pas rentré chez lui? How? My very honorable friend has not come home. But chez lui means at his place. He has not arrived at his place. C'est étrange. That's very strange. Il nous a quittés vers 10 heures. He has left us around 10 o'clock en compagnie d'un de nos invités, Monsieur Rastapopoulos. In the company of one of our guests, Mr. Rastapopoulos. Rastapopoulos est à Shanghai. So Rastapopoulos is in Shanghai. Où habite-t-il? Where does he live? Or where is he staying? Au Palace Hotel, vite. To the Palace Hotel, quickly. Toc, toc, toc. Entrez, come in. Bonsoir, Monsieur Rastapopoulos. Good night, Mr. Rastapopoulos. Tintin, quelle bonne surprise. Tintin, what a good surprise. Je viens de quitter Monsieur Liu, qui m'a dit que vous avez vu partir vers 10 heures. Ah, sorry. What did I read? I'll start all over again, sorry. Je viens de quitter Monsieur Liu, qui m'a dit vous avoir vu partir vers 10 heures en compagnie du professeur Fan Seying. Est-ce exact? So I have just, always this construction, I've just left Mr. Liu, who told me to have seen you, vous avoir vu, to have seen you, leave around 10 o'clock in the company of Professor Fan Seying. Is that exact? C'est exact, oui, that's exact, yes. J'ai reconduit le professeur en voiture. I have driven back the professor by car et je l'ai quitté au coin de la rue du Sage immense. And I have quitted or I have left him at the corner of the street of the immense wise man. That's the name of the street. Où se trouve sa propriété? Where is his property? Mais pourquoi cette question? But why this question? Le professeur Fan Seying n'est pas encore rentré chez lui. So the professor Fan Seying has not yet come home chez lui at his place. He's not yet home. Pas rentré chez lui? Not home yet? Mais il n'y a pas 100 mètres de l'endroit où je l'ai déposé jusqu'à sa porte. But it's even not 100 meters from the place where I have I have dropped him off until his door. And on the very last page for today, so Tintin is off again. Allô? Oui. Hello, yes. C'est moi. It's me. Qu'y a-t-il? What is it? Tonnerre! Thunder. That's what they always say. Et vous ne l'avez pas arrêté? And you haven't arrested him. Triple crétin. Triple idiot. Ce n'est pas ma faute, chef. It's not my fault, boss. Le portier m'a averti trop tard. So the porter, the man at the door, has warned me too late. Il était déjà reparti. He was already gone again. He left already. Le lendemain, the day after. Ainsi donc, votre maître n'est toujours pas rentré. So your master has still not come home. Étrange, strange. Bon, je vais me mettre en campagne. Okay, good. I'm going to mettre en campagne. We could say, I'm going to open the campaign. I'm going to investigate. Bien, monsieur. Very well, sir. Refaisons en sens inverse le chemin qu'a parcouru le professeur après être descendu de l'auto de Rastapopoulos. So, let's do le chemin, the road, the track, en sens inverse. So, en sens inverse means, well, in the other direction, in the reverse direction, right? That has gone, the professor, after having descendu, stepped out of the car of Rastapopoulos. Oh, oh, une flaque d'huile. Oh, oh, a pool of oil or a pool, or really, une flaque is a puddle. A puddle of oil. Une auto a stationné à cet endroit. A car has been stationed at this place. Je suis sûre qu'on attendait le savant et qu'on l'a enlevé. I am sure that they were waiting for the scientist or the scholar and that they have enlevé, kidnapped him. Ah, woo, says Milou. There's a little paper on the ground. W.R. Gibbons, directeur de l'American and Chinese Steel Company. So he's the director of the American and Chinese Steel Company, yes, New York, Shanghai. Gibbon, je ne connais pas ce nom. I don't know that name. Haha, we recognize the guy, don't we? There was really the brutal man who was not very nice to the jigsaw man. Not the jigsaw, the rickshaw man. Did I say jigsaw the whole time? I'm sorry, it's too early in the morning. I'm really sorry. Okay, I think I need some more coffee first. Good. Il n'a pas voulu donner son nom, sir, mais il m'a dit qu'il n'en avait que pour un instant. He has not wanted to give his name, sir, but he has said that he had only for a moment. It would only take a moment. C'est bon qu'il entre. It's good that he comes in. Let him come in. Voulez-vous entrer, monsieur? Do you want to come in, sir? And they're both surprised because they recognize each other. Voici ce dont il s'agit. This is what it's all about. Cette carte de visite vous appartient, n'est-ce pas? This business card belongs to you, isn't it? Eh bien, well, je l'ai trouvée rue du Sage Immense, près de la maison du professeur Fan Seyeng qui a disparu cette nuit. So I have found it in the street of the immense, the wonderful wise man, that's the name of the street, near the house of the professor Fan Seyeng, who has disappeared this night. Disparu? Disappeared? J'ignorais naturellement. I didn't know, of course. Disparu, disappeared. C'est bizarre. That's strange. Je l'ai rencontré hier soir chez des amis. I've met him yesterday night at a friend's place. C'est là que je lui ai remis cette carte. It's there that I have given him this card. Il avait l'air très troublé. He looked really troubled, worried maybe. Rue du Sage Immense, chez Fan Seyeng. So that's, I think, Tintin is asking the rickshaw man and not the jigsaw man. So I don't know what I said before. I'm really sorry. So he's going to the professor again. Allô, allô, vite, passez-moi le chef de la police. Hello, hello, quickly. Pass me the chief, the boss of the police. Allô, Richards? non, allô, Richard? So, hello, Richard. Filez immédiatement avec Brown chez le professeur Fan Seyeng, rue du Sage Immense. So, run immediately with Brown at the professor's Fan Seyeng. Well, yes, rue du Sage Immense. It's the street of the great wise man. Je viens d'apprendre que Tintin est en route pour y aller. I've just learned that Tintin is on his way to go there. Mettez-lui la main au collet et amenez-le-moi. So the expression mettre la main au collet means, well, get your hands on him and bring him to me. So Tintin's coming to the professor again. And the police, what do they say? Chez Fan Seyeng. The man has to bring them to Fan Seyeng. Et au trot, and at a trot, so very quickly. Okay, I hope it was not too long. I'm going to stay home today. I'm going to work from home. It's a lot of work to do, especially because of your elections. Gives even more work here in Europe. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful day too. And please come back to me and say what you would like to read in French, because I can see we're not so many anymore. Wish you a very, very nice Tuesday. Bye.